So we got young Frank and young Ted with us. Hup, hup.
What's up, bruv?
What's up, bruv? He says so. That's Frank's little mate from football. Now, Teddy's been waiting for a while. You've been waiting for a while, haven't you, to have a pizza from that machine?
Yeah.
So I said to him, we just finished football training. I said, we'll bring the boys down today and these two can share a pizza and see, give me your honest review on what it tastes like, what you think the experience is like.
Alright.
So go over to the machine then, start working it together. See if you can do it without the help of an adult. See how easy this is.
I've done it.
Right, there's your pizzas. So you got margarita there, pepperoni ones there you were talking about.
Can we have pepperoni?
You want a pepperoni one?
Yeah.
So press that then.
Pepperoni. Add.
Right, wait, hold up. Go back. What else we got on the goodies for us? Oh look, they even do cheesy garlic bread as well now, look.
Sit, bruv.
Cheesy garlic bread as well, you want that as well?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on then.
Add.
There you go, simple. Continue. Proceed to payment. So this is where we need your bank cards, boys.
Oh, I got one.
What?
Let's go get Ted one.
What do you mean?
I have one.
Where's your bank card?
Henry.
Where is it?
And I have
Oh,
some
do you use the
money.
Henry Bank? Do you?
Oh,
Hold up.
sorry, it's
Follow the
not.
instructions. Proceed to payment. Where is it? Why not working? Pay by card.
Henry here.
Oh, you shouldn't have pressed that. We needed to use our code. We have to go back.
Back.
We're going back. Is that cancel?
Yeah.
Cancel transaction. Oh, here, look. Right. Confirm. Coupon. Right. We got a special code. Yeah. But I'm going to turn the camera away so no one else knows what this code is, right?
Alright.
Go on then. Camera's over there. Go on. Push the code in. That. Don't shout this code out. Because that is our black card. That is our black card, yeah?
Yes.
Here we go. Boom!
A piece will come through here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are on the pizzas right now. Now, I'll get your hand out of there.
The robots.
Continue. Press continue. No, press no. We don't need a receipt for it. Boom. There you go. Now all we got to do is wait 4 minutes. 4 minutes. The robot now is inside making it.
Right through that door.
You're not allowed in there. Do you know what? We've got one of these places at our place at the moment.
Studio?
Yeah, and I went inside the door the other day.
Wait, what?
I went inside it.
I want to go in there.
I don't want to tell you. There's robots.
robot?
There's robots in there.
Are
There's
they
robots.
creepy?
They are like, it's like AI. There's robots in there now making
They
dough.
look like real people.
They look like us.
Wow.
So they're in there right now making the dough,
Hello.
putting the toppings on, and they're putting it through the oven as we speak.
That's sick, bruv.
Yeah? So now we've got to see it. So basically just sit down
Alright,
and we just
sit
wait,
here.
basically.
Sit
Just
here.
chill out.
Sit here for like a minute.
About 4 minutes.
One eternity later.
Can you count to 4 minutes?
Yeah?
Go on then, do that in silence.
1, 2, 3, 4,
And,
5, 6,
no, in silence so I ain't got to hear your voice.
79.
Something like that in a bag of sausages.
Theo milk.
What did it say?
Theo feed you. Feed me your milk.
Such me, I'll feed you, feed me your milk. What do you think, that's mama? You think that's mama there, yeah? Oh, I don't have to stack it up, but when they run out, now you've took a pizza out of the machine, we're going to take a pizza out of the machine, they have to come back, they pull the van up, and then they fill it back up again.
Look at that.
That's the ventilation. See up there, that's all the ventilation to keep it cool. Don't forget there's an oven inside there, so it's cooking.
Kurt.
And there's a fridge in there as well. And then there's a robot in there, the man's in there, robot.
The big man.
The big man himself.
Big man Tingo.
Big man Tingo.
Like Boogie Brad.
Wait, look at him. Look. He got his earring done. He's got his earring done. Look. Is it a new thing, is it?
We're twins.
Twins. Look at them. Chelsea'd up and everything.
Chelsea! When we won a race fight, that's the only win we're getting this season.
Yeah. Not going to lie, Chelsea ain't doing that good this season, boys.
Terrible.
Terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we should start supporting Arsenal. What do you reckon?
Arsenal are that's terrible.
Or should we support Tottenham?
We hate Tottenham. Good here.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, bruv.
Oh, it's coming through the vents.
I don't imagine
Demolished by you, look. Pizza's on the way. We've only got that much to go.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, comes with a little knife as well so we can cut it.
How can pizza cook this quick? Because it's powered by robots.
fresh ingredients. They cook quick, mate, and that's what that is.
Yeah, but usually at home to get like a box one, it takes like 20 minutes.
What, in the oven?
Yeah.
Yeah, because your mum forgot to take it out of the box. She left it in the pack. Your mum did. Once upon a time, his mum, she got a pizza out the freezer and she put the whole pizza with the wrapper inside the oven.
Probably buy the house out.
Exactly that. That's why I do all the cooking indoors.
No.
Mummy can't be trusted, mate. She can't be trusted. She'll burn the house down. Come on then. Let's go. Lively. Oh, we're getting excited. Hey, he's coming.
Oh, wait.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Way! Right, sit on the thing there.
Alright.
Put it there. Put it next to you. What does it give us first? The pizza or the bread? The pizza. There you go. Nice. Hot? Feel it? Is it nice and warm?
Oh, yeah.
Expectations?
Boiling.
Right, this is what we've got to do. We've got to use that to cut it. Take it in turns then. See if you can cut yourself a pizza.
I can't cut pizza, but yeah.
That's it. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
All right, let me help these boys cut a pizza.
Also my knee.
Go on then. Nice and hot. Be careful you don't burn your tongues.
Burn my tongue.
Because I have both your mums on my case.
Oh, sexy.
Yeah? Sexy, he says, yeah? That's the way you describe a pizza. Come on. Come on. Straight out of the... He said to me, he said, can I say bloody on camera if I think it's bloody amazing? He said, yeah, you like that?
Oh my God.
Is that good?
Yeah.
What are you doing? You keep dropping all your toppings, boy. You laughing gear around it, will ya? Right, we're waiting for our cheesy garlic bread to come out. These boys are going to have that pizza done. No, you eat it, go on.
Yeah, you.
Enjoy, my ladies, enjoy.
Swimming?
You got earrings, didn't you? See you ladies.
Oh, yeah.
These boys are talking about old Bill turning up. There's all gathers coming down there a minute ago. Old Bill will come into you.
What do you rate the old cake?
Good pizza?
Yes, sir.
Nice pizza. Here we go. Garlic bread on its way in a minute and all. We'll have that. Yeah, we'll have that in the van. Good. Come on, Frankie. Get him up. Do you know what? I've never had a garlic bread from me. Open it up. What's it like?
Boiling.
Aye, yes. Come on.
It's water.
That's the garlic and the butter on top.
Looks so good.
That looks good, doesn't it?
That looks bloody amazing.
Bloody amazing. Now, what's all the bloody about? Because he's saying bloody.
Bloody.
Bloody amazing.
Bloody amazing.
That's absolutely bloody amazing, darling.
That's good as well.
Right, put the lid on that. We'll have that in a minute. Eat your pizza first. Let's go and jump in the van 'cause we've got things to do.